If you're concerned that the guy you're seeing may not be genuinely interested in you, there are several signs to look out for. Firstly, pay attention to whether he only wants to hang out in certain areas, as this could indicate he's trying to avoid running into other dates. Additionally, if he consistently chooses the locations for your outings, it may be a sign that he wants to steer clear of places where he may be spotted with other people. Another red flag is if he consistently wants to meet late at night, as this suggests he's only interested in a casual relationship. Furthermore, if he shows reluctance to introduce you to his friends or meet your friends, it could mean he doesn't want the relationship to become more serious. However, it's important to consider the duration of your relationship and not rush into meeting each other's friends too soon. Pay attention to his behavior in public. If he acts distant or avoids showing affection, it could be a sign that he's trying to keep his options open. Additionally, if he frequently switches between being loving and cold, it may be because he's toying with your emotions. Finally, observe his priorities. If he consistently chooses to spend time with his friends over you, it could be a sign that you're not a priority to him. Keep an eye out for secretive behavior with his phone, as this could indicate he's hiding something. Overall, these signs can help you determine if the guy you're seeing is playing with your feelings.